Hello dear students, I am Dr. Chandrakala HT. In this video, under the topic Modern Wireless Communication Systems, I'll be introducing you to the basics of wireless communication, features of wireless communication, advantages of the wireless communication systems and their applications. Wireless communication involves the transmission of information over long distances without the help of wires, cables, or any form of electrical conductors. So there will be no physical connecting cables between two systems, but still they can send and receive information between them in wireless communication. So wireless communication is a broad term which is used to indicate the procedures and connection and communicating devices which are used for wireless communication for sending and receiving information through wireless signals. Coming to the features of wireless communication. So the evolution of these wireless communication technologies have brought a lot of advancements today because of its effective features and sophistication. The data can be transmitted anywhere between few meters distance to thousands of kilometers. Say when we say few meters, the example is television's remote control. So without any wire, using remote control, you can change channels and make different settings on the computer. That's one example of a short distance wireless technology. And radio communication, the radio channels or TV channels, they are examples of thousands of kilometers covered by wireless technology for the sake of communication. The wireless communication can be used in cellular telephony, wireless internet access, wireless home networking, and so on. Not only these, the radio wireless technology has several applications like we have GPS unit, garage door openers, wireless computer mouse, wireless keyboards, headsets, headphones, radio receivers, satellite television, broadcast television, cordless telephones, your smartphones today. All these are the applications which have been derived from the research and development which is happening in wireless technology. So all these applications have made our life more easy and sophisticated today. Some of the advantages of wireless communication are attributed because of the absence of physical infrastructure, additional physical infrastructure. Hence, the space requirement of wireless communication devices is quite less compared to the wired technologies. And the distance which can be covered for transmission without any wires is increasing day by day. So large distance communication can be achieved with very less physical infrastructure in case of wireless communication. So to be more specific with the advantages, the first advantage is cost effectiveness. The wired communication involves use of connection wires and other connecting devices. Hence, the cost will also be quite more there, and maintenance also will come at a cost for wired communication. But all these are absent in case of wireless networks because they do not require any physical infrastructure which is elaborate and costly. So, if a company can provide wireless communication services and it doesn't incur too much of cost in providing these services, naturally it can provide the services to its customer at cheap costs. One best example is our Jio today. The technology which the Jio adopted was the wireless routing and wireless communication technology. Hence, it could give data packs to its customers at very low rate, and it revolutionized the data usage in India. because of its low cost plans, and it has set a new benchmark for all the internet service providers today. The second advantage of wireless communication is its flexibility. So regardless of the location, people can communicate with each other in case of wireless communication. If it was a wired communication, of course, the location and the distance all had an influence on the communication, because to establish a communication, a wired connection is mandatory in case of wired communication technologies, whereas in case of wireless communication, all these constraints are absent. So it's not very necessary that you go and sit in your office or go to some telephone booth in order to send and receive message. Today you can sit at your home and make calls, send and receive messages, do audio conferences by means of conference calls on your smartphones, make video conferences through Google Meet, Zoom, so on, attend online classes. So all these features, flexibility is available with wireless communication. And there are some places where uh, the wired connections cannot be made, say in mining areas, nuclear power plants, in submarines and all. So there, since no wired communication channel can be set up, wireless communication will be the only means through which the communication can be done. So people who work in mines, nuclear power plants, submarines, etc., they can have a communication through phone call or through video calls with their family and friends today because of wireless communication technology. Hence, wireless communication is a very flexible technology. The third advantage of wireless communication is convenience. Wireless communication devices like mobile phones, they are quite affordable in their cost, and they are very user friendly to use. So anyone can make use of these smartphones today and perform varieties of tasks, maybe like not only making calls and sending and receiving messages, they can connect to social media through smartphones, they can do online digital payments, they can do online shopping, they can attend meetings, they can develop documents, they can use it for entertainment to watch television channels or movies. So all these conveniences have become available today because of wireless communication media. There is no need for a person to physically connect to anything in order to receive and send messages today because of wireless communication. So one such example is your Wi-Fi. So a Wi-Fi can provide you very good internet connectivity with no network cables without hampering your movement. So you can get connected to anyone, anywhere, anytime in a hassle-free fashion with Wi-Fi. The next advantage of wireless communication is speed. So with the evolution in the wireless technologies day by day, the speeds of communication on wireless media have improved. The accuracy also has kept on improving. Initially, when wireless communication started, the speed was not that very much compared to wired networks, but today almost the wireless communication media is competing with wired media neck to neck in terms of speed. So one such example for speed is, for example, a wireless remote can operate the system at a faster rate compared to wired one, and even your wireless mouse, keyboards, and wireless headphones, they are better in terms of the quality of signals which they can send and receive to your computer compared to wired ones. So the speed and clarity of communication is better in wireless communication today. The next advantage is accessibility. The wireless technology has better accessibility to even remote areas or places where you cannot set up wired communication channels, where we can't lay wireless lines for communication. In such areas, uh, the wireless technology has provided access to people who work in such areas to make them easily connect over the internet and stay connected with their family and friends. And not only this, in rural regions today, online education has become a possibility in the new changed situation of COVID-19. Today, the education has moved online due to the uh, threat which the disease is posing. Even rural areas have been able to, the students of rural areas have been able to participate in online classes today because of wireless communication technology. Through Wi-Fi, they can get connected. The wireless technology which is used in internet service providing is able to provide better signal quality so that even the students can participate in live streaming without much of network hitches. The last advantage of wireless communication is constant connectivity. So wireless communication technology ensures constant connectivity so that people can respond to emergencies quite quickly. So you can expect 24/7 good tower and good signals in case of wireless mobiles and smartphones, wireless technology today. Hence, people can move from place to place, and even while they travel, they can have constant connectivity to any part of the world today. Whereas in case of wired landline phones, for example, this constant connectivity will not be possible. These are few advantages of wireless communication. Coming to the applications of wireless communication. So today wireless communications are used in all places where wired communications have found applications. So I've listed some of them, some main applications. First application is in vehicles. Today, while moving on the vehicles, you can listen to radio, make telephone calls hands-free. You can connect your smartphone to the uh, small display unit in your car and um, handle calls, use a GPS tracker to know the location as well as the directions to the location. So all these are made possible because of wireless communication. The second advantage is second application is wireless communication is used in small and big businesses, offices, and even transportation industries. So uh, no business or office or transportation industry can manage today without internet facility. And internet facility today has been synonymous as Wi-Fi. So we prefer to buy a Wi-Fi router instead of a LAN connection to our office or business today, because that is more cost effective as well as more sophisticated and portable compared to your wired networks. So the transport industries also have flourished today because of this wireless communication. So they can provide on the move entertainment to its users. They can provide the radio and TV entertainment to their commuters, and they'll also provide today a free Wi-Fi facility. So if you are booking a ticket on your bus or a train, for example, uh, in the features you can observe that free Wi-Fi facility will be available during the journey. So all these have given a better benefit to all these industries. The wireless communication technology has made it possible for these application areas to flourish today. And wireless communication can work as a replacement for wired networks. So wherever, in whichever locations wired networks are not available, wired networks are not reachable or establishable, in all those regions, wireless communications have been used today. And the wireless communication provide location independent services today. Hence, they are used in many different applications. So wherever you have applications which have to be provided independent of the location, for all such services, we require wireless communication. For example, today, we do digital payments and do online money transactions. So independent of our location, the bank should be able to um, uh, process our bank transaction. That's one example of location independent service. Even online shopping and other application areas are all location independent services. So all these services rely on wireless communication technology. The next application of wireless communication is in the field of infotainment. Infotainment is a combination of entertainment and education. So a combination of this is termed as infotainment. So entertainment industry has benefited a lot due to wireless communication today. So you name a television channel, there is an app for them. Say, for example, your Z channels, you have Z5, and say you have similarly Woot, you have Amazon Prime app, Zplex. So all these applications came into existence only because of wireless communication media. After wireless communication media became popular, all these have come into existence, and hence more number of viewers to the channels and more number of viewers to the movies. So hence the people working in the entertainment industry have also flourished, and people are also happy to get the entertainment through wireless communication media. So at lower cost, today people can watch the television channels and even movies and any videos for any information which they want. They can watch YouTube videos for that. So it all became possible only after wireless media revolutionized the cost at which people can buy data packs today. Since the cost of data packs are reduced, people have explored the possibility of entertainment more compared to wired communication mediums. So when only wired communication technology was there, uh, the internet was not affordable to common man, but because of wireless communication technology, the internet costs have reduced, and hence entertainment has become much more cheaper today. And even education field has also benefited through the wireless communication technologies. So because of these technologies, advent of these technologies, now more online courses have come into existence, and there is no bound to education today. So as a student, you can attend classes which are conducted in the best of the universities throughout the world through your online connection. You can browse any portals, you can download any textbooks, e-books are available today. So for, education has benefited immensely after the wireless communication technology has become widespread. These are few applications of wireless communication. Thank you.